Goes a little something like.
How can love you all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after.
Alright, Arian. For today's videos, we're going to unbox the most awaited Avenues of the Diamonds or AOTD copy. Yes, ngayon ko lang po siya bubuksan pero napakatagal na pong nandito sa akin. So yeah, before we start, please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And don't forget to answer our monthly giveaway question for you para manalo ng 100 giveaway natin na nagaganap lagi yung announcement tuwing katapusan ng buwan. Yes! So, this book is, nabili ko lang siya almost 1,100 something, ganun ka siya nabili. So, mura niya. Yan. Alam ko marami itong freebies, so that's why I can't wait to open this one. Kaya, tinanggal ko na yung paunang niya, for sure. Hindi pala. So, yan. Simple na natin. Sorry sa distraction. Nag-distract. Yan. Ganyan. Super pagkakabala niya. As in, super secure yung book. Alam hindi talaga siya magsira kahit anong mangyari. Yan. Thank you nga pala sa pinagbilan nito kay Ate Katie. Yeah. Thank you so much for securing the book and trusting me. Dalawang beses na akong bumili sa kanya. At ang pangalamang yun is itong isang book. Yan. Ano to? Soft bound na Bride of Alfonso. Yan. Ang daming freebies. Nakakapa naman. Sira naman natin. Ang daming pagkain pala dito. Hindi ko alam. Ang daming laman. Oh my God, may bago ko i-display. Oh my God, wait. So, first ito muna. Since ito yung una natin nakuha. Ayan, dami niyang freebie guys. So, nakakatawa. May mga pochi. Ayan, may 4 na pochi. I love this. Nadurog yung isa. Ayan, bilog na isa. Bottle pin. Ayan, ang cute. Official ata to. Wow. Ngayon na ako nakakuha ng official. Ay, hindi. May isa pa pala kang. Ayan. Dalawang hair tie. Yan. Favorite kind of hair tie yan. First. Yan. Oh, may dadagdag na ako. And lip tint. Oh, my favorite shade. Nice. Yan na. Yan. Tapos ito, pochi. Yan. Candy. I think they know na mahilig ako sa candy. Ganon. Tapos, ayan, Stanley. Na bago kong i-display. Yes, may bago na akong i-display si Doc Ryden. So happy naman. And you know, I've been thinking to add some standees sa shelf ko to make it more look like unique or beautiful. Yeah. But still can't afford. Parang hindi bumibili yung libro. Like, you know, it's my priority. Not now. The priority I have in my mind is books. Books and books. And study, of course. I want to be rich. I want to make my house full of books. Yeah. For me, it feels like a heaven. It makes me feel like magical. You know, pwede ako mabuhay sa ganun. Libro lang. Libro ang pinag-set kong pagkain. Hindi lang makakita sa mga. Unless, kapag lang. Yeah. That one. Yung may up. Kapag dito sa loob, nakakita lang ba? Ikaw rin kapag. Alright, bye. Ayun, may sulit. Grabe magbalot parang ang dami ng bubble wrap, gano'n. Pinaglaanan. Ang galing. You know, I recommend talaga yung mga ganitong shop. Yung tipong they know how to take care the books, especially they are also a book lover. Hindi yung parang basta na lang makabenta. Ganun. I give this shop or Ate Katie a thumbs up and I'm gonna go buy again sa kanila. The next time, pag may natipuan ulit sa mga books niya, I'm gonna go buy. Oh! Finally! Wait. I think the one that I got is Scream. Yeah. I think it's Scream. Yeah, it's Scream. It's not a book, it's Scream. Hashtag deserve. Oh, may mga photo guys pa pala sa loob. Oh, nice. This looks nice, guys. Look. I think this is Kiera and this is Sam and this is Alice. Yeah, the three of them. Cute, no? Cute. That looks so fine. It's on fire. Yung mga inclusion pa pala sa loob. Oh my god. Oh, cute na. Oh, cute na. That's my bebe. Ang ganda-ganda niya dyan, ha? I don't really think I need to buy my own photo card holder, like yung binder ba yun? Ganon. Yeah, may letter pa kasama yung letter, oh. And they are with summer and other. Oh, so cute. Love it. Ooh. And of course, yeah, don't forget the bookmark. Yeah. And it's hand signed. Ooh, hand signed siya. Nice. But if ever I'm gonna go sa another book signing event ni Ate Kwai, I would go with this book. I want to sign my book again.
Fantasy part
I
na.
want to have my book signed again. Of course.
Kanina pa.
So yun guys, I know this is not a lot, but thank you again po. I'm so, I appreciate. So, wala siyang kahit na anong dents guys. Like, super ganda ng, quality niya, ng, like, lumabas din siya mismo sa, ng ina-expect ko. It's higher from my expectation kasi ilang beses ka ako nabagsak. But because of what you see, ang daming bookmark, ganyan, hindi siya nasira. And other than naka-box pa siya. Tapos sa loob pa siya ng box, may bookmark ulit siya. So, yun. Kaya pala super, bigat ko na. Guys, so happy with what I got. With all this inclusion. Thank you po so much. Guys, and this so cute. I love it. Yeah. Finally got my own copy. At nabuksan ko na siya finally. So yun lang guys. Bye-bye.